I like to talk to you about the birth of Family Nature Parks. I am the founder of Family Nature Parks. I am also the father of 6 children and 7 grandchildren. I returned to Ottawa from London, England, 2008 to be close to my second daughter, Daria Eugenie Farha, who was diagnosed with breast cancer at the age of 40 years old. Our Daria was an educator, a poet, a writer, a movie maker, and a dress designer, a nature and animal lover, a very beautiful and special human being. Daria loved animals, especially dogs and cats. She loved walking on the banks of the Rideau Canal and skating on the canal. She loved riding her bike on the parkway alongside the Ottawa River. She loved visiting Gatineau Park, especially in the autumn. There she would be watching herds of deer and in silence enjoying the nature and the beauty of Canada. For several years, I was carefully planning to develop a world-class 18-hole golf course and an exclusive clubhouse on my Ashton land. I commissioned internationally renowned golf and clubhouse architects, prepared business plans, engineering, and schematic design. All that changed when, during a treatment at the Toronto General Hospital, Daria, in her usual sweet voice, asked, "Dad, I was thinking, why are you developing a golf course in Ashton?" She continued, "You're not even a golfer." We both laughed. She then reminded me of a outdoor nature park I visited often in Sweden, which I used to describe to her as an outdoor paradise of nature, sport, recreation, and wellness for all ages. I remember holding her hand, saying, "Yes, I remember Nature Park. I agree with you. It is more appropriate to develop a nature park on the Ashton land, better than a golf course." With a smile on her face, she continued, "Thanks, Dad. Please call it Family Nature Parks, and please use the European French spelling for parks." To the last, we talked when possible about the studies we are conducting and shared with her some of her business plans for this unique one-stop multi-outdoor community sport park. Its special age-based features of sport facilities starting from the age of 6 to adulthood. Daria would tell me how important for kids all over the world to be healthy, to build strong immunity against disease while they are young, that outdoor sport in nature is so essential to good health for all ages. She would often repeat that the most important feature of Family Nature Parks is to make available large choices of sports, games, and recreational facilities to make sure that kids are not bored, having fun, and enjoying being well. Daria's last wish was to erect a large native Canadian features tent for 300 persons in a prominent place in the Ashton Park and to call it the nation's tent. That was her legacy, a lifetime devotion to her beloved multicultural Canada, a tent, a place where natives and all other Canadians of their beautiful ethnical diversity come into the tent to meet, to socialize, to witness and experience their each other rich cultures, languages, dress, music, and to bond in the tent of one great multicultural Canada as one cohesive, inclusive, and equal citizen.